Are you bored with your radio or just looking for something to do with it this weekend? The best thing about being a ham is that there's always something to do with your radio, regardless of where you are. Today we'll be looking at a few ways you can spend your time this weekend doing what you love most. Number 1, community events. Some of the most enjoyable activities in ham radio are community events. These include anniversaries for major events, celebrations, or even volunteering your communication skills for events like hikes and marathons. Some examples of these events include the upcoming Indiana State Fair at the end of July or the 231st birthday of the U.S. Coast Guard this August. For many of these events, you don't even have to be a local. As long as you're able to provide reliable communication, you'll likely be able to join in. A great way to check if there's anything happening soon is to go to ARRL.org and search by area, date, or even call sign. This way you'll have access to a complete list of official radio events that you can choose to participate in, or at the very least, read more about. We've added a link in the description of the video so that you can check it out for yourself. Number 2, travel somewhere remote. Sometimes you just need to get away for a day or two. However, that doesn't mean you need to isolate yourself. Bring your favorite handheld and a digital hotspot and try to make some contacts in a new location. It's a bonus if you have a scenic location that you've always wanted to visit, because now you have a great excuse to finally go. Many hams enjoy off-roading or overlanding to remote locations with other hams. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, definitely look into it and see if there are any trips being planned near you. Whether alone or in a group, there's nothing better than driving out to a spot with a view and keying into a DMR network. Number 3, meet up with another ham. If you know other hams in your area, give them a call and see what they're up to. You could easily make a day out of making QSOs together. And for the more competitive hams out there, you could even make a contest out of it to see who can make the most contacts in a given amount of time. At the end of the day, ham radio is about making lifelong connections with people that you probably wouldn't meet anywhere else. A free weekend is a great time to make those connections even stronger. We hope this video inspires you to go out this weekend and make the most out of this awesome hobby. Whether you plan on traveling or just relaxing at home, make sure your radio is part of it. Check out our other video that covers the top 5 hobbies hams take part in for even more inspiration. As always, thanks for watching. I'm Dylan, KF0EKY and 73.